In this video, I will show how to download and install Instagram application on your Windows 11. So click on Start and Microsoft Store. Now search here Instagram, then select it. Now here click on Get. Now wait till this downloading and installing process will be complete. And once this complete, just you have to log in with your mail and password. So thanks for watching guys. This is the way you can download and install Instagram on your Windows 11, and also this method will work in Windows 10. Just open Microsoft Store and search Instagram. This is the official application from Instagram. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.